Good evening. Today we will talk about how to build a roof. What I'm going to do is click on Architecture of that roof. It's going to ask you if you want to put it on the highest level, which would be level 2 at this point. I will click Yes. From here, the first thing I will do is make sure that my boundary line is chosen. If I would like this to define the slope or do an overhang, I want to make sure that I have that information now. So here I go. I will change that to a 2-foot overhang. That means my walls will go over the side of my wall 2 feet. I will click Define the Slope. I will show you how later you can change that. Now, come down here, click all 4 sides of my house, then click the check mark. Would you like to attach the highlighted walls to the roof? Click Yes. Now, you have a house with a 2-foot overhang on your roof. Thank you.